Good morning. This is going to be a very quick video because I'm right in the middle of cooking my lunch, which I'm having lion's mane mushrooms, broccoli and turkey, and it smells good, so I want to be very quick to do this. On my screen we're going to look at the ES today and pick some levels. There's not that many levels today, but we'll go in there and just discuss. So I'm just sorting my chart out. So on my screen is the hourly ES or the MES. You can see we had all-time highs back here end of the year, and we touched the all-time highs again today and rejected it. Not sure I really want to go for any rejections today because we're so strong, but I am looking for a potential pullback into 48.21, 48.13. If we pull back to 48.13, that's the area I'm really watching, 48.13.50. I want to try and find an entry around here somewhere, and then we've got a defined stop loss, which is our point of control, which is this red line, and we can just put stop below. And that's probably all I'm watching for. The reason I like that area as well, we've got high volume on the point of control. We've got the highs from, what's that, Tuesday? Tuesday's high, and we consolidated there for a while yesterday and then broke out, and I'm hoping we'll come back down to this area again for a potential bounce. I've got a higher risk bounce. In fact, there's two higher risk bounces. Where we are almost right now, 48.30 is a higher risk bounce, and I won't be taking that, but that will be a good bounce if you want to play continuation. If we can break over that top of that candle, maybe we'll see what that candle leaves. This is the hourly candle. Or I've also got 48.21, 48.22 for a bounce. That's basically bouncing off of the highs from last week, Friday. That's it really. Is that Friday? Yeah, Friday. That's it really. That's all I'm watching for today. I'll be leaving early today as well, so I'm not going to be watching too much. But if we do break the all-time highs, I may look for a break and retest off the all-time highs area for the push back up. But I don't know how to play all-time highs. Not something I do. Not something I've ever done really. Not watching levels. So I really want to just watch and learn from it. And that's it really. That's my levels for today. SPY is very similar. If we get back down to 477, looking for a bounce, and you can see that area of volume as well. And all-time highs is at 479.98, that area. So we've got unfinished business. Everyone else has hit all-time highs, but SPY hasn't. So maybe we could watch for a possible rejection around there. But maybe take it on the ES, because ES is quite close to it. So if we break over it, then we can find, maybe if it rejects on SPY, we can look for a reject on ES. That's it really. I'm not going to go further than the other levels because I don't want to burn my dinner. But pretty much Q's is broken all-time highs, waiting for the pullback to that level, 43.413. That's the only place I really want to get in. And Nasdaq's the same as well. That's 1 hour. If we can come back up to these highs, which is at 17.166, we can look for a bounce, and that'll be off the 20 moving average. Oil still in the range, looks like an accumulation area. We're in the top half of that accumulation now, so maybe we are waiting for a potential breakout. So we've got this area here, this area here. Come in, we're testing it, we're tightening up a little bit here. Maybe we can look for a break and retest along. But no plays on that at the moment. Gold, look at that, another level. As I said, levels just work. Came up to that level, which was been in for a few days, rejected it, and looking like it's going to come back down. But maybe if it breaks below the 200 moving average and below that hourly candle, we can look for a short entry. But we will be against that short-term 1 hour trend. Otherwise, up here's the next rejection area. The Russell 2000. Again, not one I play, but I'm just watching at the moment, trying to get an idea how it operates. Came into that area yesterday. We're looking at daily. Hang on, let's get back to the hourly. That looks better. So I thought I didn't recognise it. Coming into that area, rejection area, and potential rejection back down. We're putting in this bit of a bear flag. So keep an eye on that. And in fact, it's right in that area now, so potentially a break below 1937 for the short to get back down to the 1905. Maybe a rejection off the 200 up here as well, which is a level we've got marked off as well. So this area is in play as well, 1955. Last but not least, that's what I like to see, a higher volume in pre-market and a possible rejection candle. And we're looking at a potential pullback back down to this area. So the entry is where it is right now, 37,827, with a possible target around this point of control. That's it. No other else. Obviously we can watch for the rejection up here as well if it ever gets there. Back to MES, see if there's any change. I said about that bounce point. That's exactly what I said. Higher risk bounce, which has done exactly that, 48.30. But not one for me. I'm waiting for the higher probability plays, which is back down here, 48.13 to 48.15 for a bounce. That's kind of what I'm watching for today. That's it. Thank you for watching. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's everything. Yeah. Okay. I will eat my lunch and I'll be ready to go in the next